Tell y'all this glaze right here. Stay tuned because I did make a video. I made lots of videos today while cooking to share tips and tricks in the kitchen. But listen, let me tell you something. I just had to cut it. I'm sorry. We wasn't trying to wait for everything else. But let me tell you something. If you don't know about this glaze that I'm about to share with y'all, stay tuned because it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. When I say this ham is so good and so tender, this Rizzy, I cut her. We always got to taste it even before it's dinner time. So, yes, how to prep the ham, how to do the cross cut, all that. All those videos are coming. Even down to cleaning collards. Oh, okay, I got some good videos for y'all. So stay tuned for those videos. Let me get our little pieces. My fork fell. And I will see y'all in the next video. Basically, she just came to let y'all know that she didn't come to play. She didn't. She didn't come to play. She did not come to play. So, find somebody to play with because it ain't hard. Yes. Oh my gosh. I tasted. I already had a piece. Like, this is Rizzy's, but let me tell you something. I'm a foodie, so I get excited about food. I get excited about sharing food. I get excited about telling people how to make some good food. This ham right here, I promise you, you're going to slap everybody. Just don't let it be your mom or your grandma. But you might, you know, you might be tempted, but don't, they might knock you out. All right, y'all. Later, gators.